Now let's go to the next part. I will explain you how you can create your own journals. For the journal we are going to create, we also need a specific account. So first of all, I will duplicate a new account and I will make a copy of the bank account. I do duplicate, I create 11404 PayPal and I save. We will create a new PayPal journal and link it to the account we just created. So we click create. We give the journal a name. In this case, let's call it PayPal. We enter a code, which can at most be 4 characters. We create a journal of the bank and checks account and we link it to the PayPal account. I showed you the various options here. You can type part of the name, type part of the code, or of course you can click the black arrow. The user here is the person who creates this journal. You can use centralized counterparts, but that is typically used for opening and closing journals. You can click auto post created moves, meaning that you skip the draft state for a journal entry, and when you confirm such journal entry with auto post created moves ticked, the entry will automatically be posted definitely. For purchase journals, you can also check the date of the invoice, whether it is in the period concerned, and you can also tick the group invoice lines button. Furthermore, you can have entry controls on account type and on accounts, and these controls allow you to tell odoo that for this journal, only postings in the corresponding account types or accounts can be made. If you click the cash register, we already discussed the opening with last closing balance for the bank statements, and you can add profit, loss, and internal transfer accounts, which will be used for the point of sale application. So we save this journal. I haven't talked about the entry sequence because on save, the entry sequence will automatically be created. Now, what is the aim of this entry sequence? If we click it, we will see that this entry sequence will be used to generate the invoice or entry number. So in this case, it will use the current year. So be careful that if your sequence uses the variable year and you are posting an entry in 2015, although it is meant to be in 2014, odoo will use 2015 in the sequence. So to avoid that, you'd better use 2014 in the prefix. Click Save, and we have a journal that is created.